Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a hairstyling video using the Finesse Silver Beauty shampoo and conditioner. I've teamed up with Finesse to bring you this everyday, really easy hairstyling video incorporating the shampoo and conditioner to make sure that you keep your nice blonde hair that you spend so much money on looking fresh and clean between your hair appointments. It's absolutely no secret that I hate having my hair be on the brassy side. I've talked about it 100 times and I need my hair to be on the silver, cool tone side at all times, or I absolutely hate the way my hair looks. I get a lot of compliments all the time on my hair and how I keep it being healthy and whatnot, and using good hair products is really important. These products have silk and keratin protein in it. It's really moisturizing. It helps restore any damaged ends on your hair and keep it nice and healthy, especially when you've been putting all that bleach on your hair. So if you want to see my hair care routine along with how to get this really cute, simple hairstyle, then just keep on watching. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media. It's always linked down below in the description box as well as right here on the screen so you don't miss out on any other content. And let's get right on into the video. Okay, so we're gonna start off with shampoo. I'm gonna just scrub that all into my scalp, making sure my hair is nice and clean. That's where I find that my hair kind of loses the toner the most, so that's where I really focus on in the shower, obviously, because it also needs to be cleaned way more than the ends. And then we're gonna move on to conditioner. And a little tip I do is I normally keep the conditioner in for a bit, like I'll massage it in, then I'll just kind of like wait a few minutes and then I'll rinse it out just to kind of get like the full effect. And this stuff actually smells really, really good, as you can see. And it makes my hair super soft, which I love. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. My hair is wrapped up in this, like just a quick little towel dry. Cute. So I really don't do much with my hair. I think like less is more. I really just only put this Not Your Mother's Blonde Moment Seal and Protect Leave-In Conditioner, so it keeps my hair really cool as well as locks in moisture and protects it from any heat. I OD a little bit sometimes, but like whatever. Now I'm just gonna brush it through with this little brush. So after using that shampoo and conditioner, which smells really good, I may add, my hair feels super soft. It felt so soft in the shower, which is like my favorite thing ever. I have to get my hair done. I'm literally getting it done this week, so it's really important for me to have really good shampoo and conditioner in between my hair appointments, because like as the time goes by, as you wash your hair, the toner fades, this, that, and the other, so your hair becomes a little bit less on the cool side. So I can't stand it when it's like that, so it's really important for me to have really good shampoo and conditioner. And so far, my hair's wet right now, so you don't get the full effect, but so far I really like it and how it makes my hair feel like super smooth. But now I'm just gonna blow dry my hair using my Dry Bar Mini Buttercup blow dryer, and then we'll get to styling. Okay, hair is blow dried, so I have naturally straight hair. It's just like a little bit on the frizzy side, which I get from my mom. I'm just going to straighten it real quick, like just run it through to kind of like smooth it out and not have it so frizzy because it's straight as a board. I'm using my Dry Bar, I think it's like Press. Anyways, I'm using my Dry Bar hair straightener to just like smooth it down. Okay, so as I've said like 100 times in all my videos, I suck at doing my hair. I'm really super basic when it comes to it. However, if you are like me and you still want to give your hair some type of like really cool look to it without actually having to put in the effort, bobby pins are like a huge trend these days. So I'm going to be using these ones from Flawlyss. I love how it's gold, silver, and rose gold. Kind of just a different play on your normal like blonde and black bobby pins. So first things first, I'm going to just push all my hair back. And then I'm going to do a side part, which is also bizarre because I don't really do that often. Then slick back this side. I personally want to do it on my left side because it's my better side than my right side. But I'm going to use 2 of each color, and we're going to start doing like a cool design of bobby pins on my hair. So I'm going to start off with the gold. 2 silver, and I'm going to create like an X. Now with the 2 rose gold, I'm going to do the exact same thing that we did. It gives it just like a little cute flair on a pretty much basic hairstyle. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this very easy everyday hairstyle routine as well as hair care for all you blondies out there. I personally really love these 2 products from Finesse. They're really good. My hair feels super soft and hydrated, and it doesn't feel like nasty at all. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.